This is the D-minus effort of Huckabee over a week out from our snowstorm. This is Markham. This is one of the main roads in Little Rock. Yeah. This is Sunday, the 1st. That's an entire lane. Still snowed over. Hasn't even had a plow out here yet. And it's like this on Rodney Parham. It's like this on University. I'm not even venturing to Cantrell or any of the other ways. Yeah. For reference, people not remote. That's the mall coming up. All the neighborhoods are still pretty much snowed in. So her little bragging on, like, I did so well. I gave donuts to Lyman's. Fuck you, bitch. You didn't do shit. D-minus at best. Like, we live in Capitol View, so it's even possible to get out. Oh, look at that. Of course, they put Chick-fil-A in entrance. Oh no, shit balls. Like, that should not look like that.